Hi guys, my name is Faisal. You are watching Technology in the Future. Google has launched a flagship Pixel or two every year since the first Pixel line back in 2016. So the odds are high that the Pixel 8 family will debut in 2023. A reliable German outlet will Future previously confirmed in November 2022 that the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro are indeed coming and will be codenamed Shiba and Husky respectively. Google usually launches its flagship phones in October each year, with the Pixel 7 Duos both revealed during that month. The Pixel 5 was launched on September 30, but this was the exception rather than the rule, as our previous devices launched in October. Needless to say, it is a fair bet to expect the Pixel 8 release date to fall in September or October 2023. We are still months out from the Pixel 8 launch, but there is still a decent amount of info to go on. Here is what we know about the phone in terms of design, features and overall specs. Google totally revamped the way Pixel looked with the Pixel 6 series. With the Pixel 7 series, the company only refined their design, and it looks like we could see some similar iteration for the Pixel 8 series. The first leaked renders of the Pixel 8 Pro landed in March and showed a familiar design. There are some subtle changes here. The display is flat, a first for the Pro level phones from Google. The rear camera module has a slightly new design with all three cameras increased in one glass pill, unlike the pill plus circle design of the Pixel 7 Pro. There also appears to be an additional sensor under the camera flash. We all get into that in a moment. Outside of these three things, though, we don't see too many other changes in May. A leaked tutorial video revealed that the mystery sensor under the flash could be an IR thermometer. Based on the video, in order to use the sensor, you all need to bring the phone close to your forehead, then move it slowly to your temple. The phone provides sounds and vibrations to assist with the process. Reportedly, this sensor can also be used to measure the temperature of objective as well, according to the leak. The data collected from the measurements is stored locally and will be handled through the Android private compute core. This would mean that the data won't end up somewhere in Google servers. It will only be saved directly on the phone. Shortly after renders of the Pixel 8 Pro leaked, so too did renders of the vanilla Pixel 8. That the Pixel 8 series will receive the next generation Tensor processor codenamed Zuma. This was corroborated by our own leaked Google Pixel roadmap. Like the Tensor chips before it, it is rumored that the Pixel 8 Tensor chip could be based on Samsung Exynos SoC, specifically the Exynos 2300, which was shipped over for the Galaxy S23 series, or on exclusive reported via noted tipster Camila on June 3 revealed a ton of Tensor G3 detail. It turns out the G3 will be equipped with a 1 plus 4 plus 4 CPU setup, featuring a Cortex X3 3.05 GHz, 4 Cortex A715 cores, 2.45 GHz, and 4 Cortex A510 cores, 2.15 GHz. That's it now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Technology in the Future. You will take care of yourself. Bye bye.